Hi students, I just wanted to give you an overview of Canvas and how Canvas is linked with MindTap. So as you can see that we're starting on the home page of our Canvas course. What you want to do each week is click on the weekly modules. So either you can do that by pressing on the link here where it says click here to start course, or you can also click on modules on the left hand side. So by tonight, you should have reviewed the syllabus. So here's a link to the syllabus. You should have registered for MindTap. You should already have your Cengage Unlimited subscription, and this is a little video that shows you how to register. And then you should already have completed your week 1 discussion, Introduce Yourself. Now I have included in the week 1 module some helpful links. So this first link will take you to our MindTap class, and it'll just it doesn't necessarily take you to any specific thing, it just kind of takes you to the home page. And then if you need any technical support, if you have any difficulties, here's a link to the Cengage technical support, and then also the Cengage student dashboard for all of your Cengage Unlimited courses. Now, this week, starting today, and everything is due a week from today, on September 2nd, we're completing our Chapter 1 work. And so the first thing that you want to do is read Chapter 1, and it's located in MindTap. It is in the ebook is located in MindTap. So I've provided a link to the chapter. So if you click on this link, and then you want to load the Chapter 1 Records and Information Management in a new window. Now, if you haven't yet clicked into MindTap, before it actually will take you to MindTap, it'll have you put in some information. But since I've already linked mine, it's taking me straight to MindTap. And once you've done it, once you've linked the two once, it'll automatically take you to MindTap. Now, if you give it a second, the ebook should come up. So there we go. It just takes a second for it to load. Now, every once in a while, this has kind of been happening to me where when I click on the link, it actually takes me to the end of the chapter. So if this happens to you, what you want to do is click right here where it says Chapter Contents. And then what you want to do is go ahead and that'll take you to the beginning, and then you can go ahead and click on the 1-1, and that'll take you to the very beginning of the chapter, and then you can read it. You can go ahead and go on from there. Now, within each chapter, so you would read this chapter. I'm going to go ahead and click out of it and then go back to my modules. But within each chapter, you do have either at the end, you'll have the review and discussion questions that you must complete, and these are located at the end of the chapter. Now, when we get to Chapter 3, there's actually, for Chapters 3 and 4, there's different things that you'll do, self-checks. And those are located within the chapter. So as you're reading it, when you come up to a self-check, you'll go ahead and you'll complete it, and those are worth points. Now, I have actually included links to each of them in the module to make sure that you complete all of them. So for next week, we just have the Chapter 1 Review and Discuss. So you'll click on that, and that'll take you back to MindTap. And it'll take you straight to the Review and Discuss questions. Again, it just takes a second for it to load. So just give it a quick second. And here it is. And then what you're going to do is you want to click on the arrow and then it'll come up. It'll load it and then you'll go ahead and you'll answer the review and discussion questions. So it says click here to start assignment now. And then it'll just ask you different questions and you'll fill in your answers. And then when you're done, you'll click submit for grading. So if we go back to our Canvas page, I just want to, you must complete basically everything that's in the modules for that week. So for this week, for chapter 1, you'll do the review and discuss, and then you'll complete the activities. There's 4 activities that you'll do. And these all are the links to MindTap, to the actual activity in MindTap. And then the last thing you'll do is the critical thinking discussion, and that's actually located in Canvas. So every single week, I have provided links to all of the assignments in MindTap so you can make sure that you're completing everything that you need to complete. Now, while you are in MindTap, you can also access all of your assignments without going back and forth if you choose to, if you want. Now, the way I have it right now is the outline view, and what it does is if you click on the arrow, it'll actually, and then click to expand it again, it'll kind of show you everything that that you're doing for the week. Now, the only problem with this view is starting in chapter 3, we're going to be doing a digital filing simulation, and that's going to show as a separate folder in here. So if you're just using this view, you're not going to catch that you also you also have a simulation due on September 16th. Now, the better view I would think for a student would be the week view. So if you click up here, this is going to show you each week what's due. And again, this is the same thing you will see in Canvas. So you're going to see in both places, and so hopefully you'll understand what's due each week. And again, I do have the links in Canvas to take you directly to the assignments if you would rather not have to worry about clicking on here in MindTap. But it does show each week everything that you'll be doing. Now, another thing too in MindTap that I just wanted to let you guys know is that there's all these different tools on the right hand side. So there's a My Content, Notes, the Feed, Sam. There's the full book that you can click on and read different things. You can also, there's a study hub, read speaker, homework, flashcards, and then progress. So I hope this helps you understand the assignments. So you're going to see the assignments in MindTap and in Canvas, but they're the same assignments. I've just included links in Canvas to help just to help you stay organized. And if you have any questions, please let me know.